Let's start with foundation. Now I'm going to apply concealer under my eyes, on my nose, on my chin, and on my forehead. Go ahead and blend. Moving on to my eyes. Zendaya displayed her natural beauty and chose a brown eyeshadow that almost matched her skin tone. Then apply a lighter shade on your brow bone. Zendaya added a winged eyeliner to this classic look. Zendaya had dramatic full lashes, so we're gonna have some fun and apply false ones. Tweezers work best for easier application. To make them really look like your own, apply them close to your lash line. Using mascara helps to blend your real ones with the fake ones. Add the bronzer and highlight to your highest points of your face for an extra glow. For lipstick, apply a bold red lip. To make the color pop and prevent it from running, add lip liner. Now for the finishing touches, hair and accessories. It's Jessica from Hey Gorgeous.